Have you ever wondered if it's possible to take just $100 and turn it into $10,000? Is it even realistic to make that kind of transformation in today's world? The answer is yes, it is absolutely possible. So watch this video till the end, because I'm about to show you how to do it, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to make your $100 work harder for you. But before, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, so you can keep learning how to grow your money. Let's start from number 10. Start with low-cost, high-potential investments. Is it really possible to start with a small amount like $100 and see it grow over time? The key lies in finding low-cost investment options that have the potential for growth. Why are low-cost options a great starting point? When you only have $100 to invest, your best bet is to start with things like index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These allow you to invest in a broad range of companies or industries, minimizing the risk of putting all your money into just one stock. These types of funds are often made up of a collection of stocks, making them less volatile than individual investments. This is a fantastic way to dip your toes into investing without risking your savings. Number 9. Use compound interest to your advantage. Did you know that your money could start making money while you sleep? It might sound too good to be true, but it's the magic of compound interest. So how does this work, and why is it crucial for your $100 investment? What exactly is compound interest? Compound interest is the process of earning interest on both your initial investment and the interest that has already been added. Let's say you invest $100 in an account that offers a 5% annual interest rate. At the end of the year, you'd have $105. But the next year, you don't just earn interest on your original $100. You earn interest on the $105, and so on. This creates a snowball effect where your money continues to grow exponentially. For someone just starting out, compound interest can be a powerful tool. It's the type of investment that works even while you're busy with your day job. Number 8. Explore dividend stocks. A steady stream of passive income. What if your investments could pay you back while you sleep? Sounds amazing, right? That's what dividend stocks can do. They provide a regular income stream on top of any potential stock price appreciation. Why consider dividend stocks? When you buy shares of a company that pays dividends, you're essentially receiving a portion of the company's profits, paid out to shareholders. These dividends might not seem like much at first, but they can add up over time. And when reinvested, they grow your portfolio faster. If you are looking for a steady way to earn income, dividend stocks provide a way to keep growing your $100. You don't have to actively do anything except keep your investments in place. The power of reinvesting dividends means that your $100 can turn into much more than you ever expected, and with time, you could see your portfolio reaching new heights. Number 7. Leverage the stock market. High risk, high reward potential. Can you turn $100 into $10,000 in the stock market? It's definitely possible, but it requires careful research and a willingness to take some risks. Why can the stock market be a game changer? Investing in individual stocks allows you to directly benefit from a company's growth. If you invest in a stock that appreciates in value, your $100 can grow much faster than it would in a safer, more stable option. But here's the catch. The stock market is volatile, and there's always a chance that you could lose money. That said, the right stock can be a gold mine. If you're diligent, your $100 can turn into $10,000 faster than you thought. Number 6. Try peer-to-peer lending. Ever thought of being your own bank? Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money directly to individuals or businesses, often at higher interest rates than traditional banks offer. Why peer-to-peer lending can be lucrative? When you lend money through a peer-to-peer lending platform, you're acting as a lender, and the interest paid by the borrower is your return. This can be a fantastic way to turn $100 into a much higher sum because you can earn interest rates much higher than traditional savings accounts. The risks? There's always a chance that the borrower might default on their loan. However, by carefully selecting borrowers with a strong track record and diversifying your lending portfolio, you can minimize the risk and start earning money passively. Number 5. Invest in cryptocurrencies. The fast-paced, high-risk world. Can digital currencies help you turn $100 into $10,000? The cryptocurrency market is one of the most exciting and volatile places to invest right now. While it's a high-risk strategy, it can offer huge rewards if done correctly. Why should you consider cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins have shown explosive growth in recent years. For example, Bitcoin was worth just a few cents a decade ago and is now worth thousands of dollars per coin. While it's not guaranteed, cryptocurrencies have the potential for incredible returns in a short amount of time. Of course, it's important to note that cryptocurrencies are incredibly volatile. However, with careful research and the right timing, you can grow your initial $100 investment into something much larger. Number 4. Flip items for profit. The art of reselling. What if you could use your $100 to buy low and sell high? Flipping products for profit is an easy and effective way to turn a small amount of money into a much larger sum. How can flipping make you money? There are many ways to do this. Whether it's buying underpriced items at thrift stores, estate sales, or online marketplaces, and then reselling them at a higher price. The key is knowing which items are in demand and which are undervalued. Flipping can be a fun and profitable way to earn extra cash. It doesn't require a lot of upfront investment, and you can often get started with just $100. With the right items and knowledge, flipping can quickly lead to substantial profits. Number 3. Real estate crowdfunding. Owning property with minimal risk. What if you could get into real estate without the need for massive upfront capital? Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to pool your money with others and invest in real estate projects. Why should you consider real estate crowdfunding? Real estate is a solid long-term investment, but buying property directly can require tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. However, real estate crowdfunding platforms make it possible to invest in property with as little as $100. You'll own a small share of the property and receive a portion of the rental income or capital gains when the property is sold. This is a low-risk, passive investment that doesn't require you to actively manage the property. Number 2. Invest in high-interest savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs. While it might not make you a millionaire overnight, putting your $100 into a high-interest savings account, or CD, is a safe and reliable way to make your money work for you. How does this strategy work? High-interest savings accounts and CDs offer better returns than traditional savings accounts. While the returns are not as high as some other investment options, they offer a secure, risk-free way to grow your money. Plus, many of these accounts have no fees or minimum balance requirements, which means you can start with as little as $100. This method might not turn $100 into $10,000 quickly, but it's a safe place to park your cash and earn some interest without any risk of losing your money. Number 1. Diversify your investments. The key to success. What's the number 1 rule of investing? Diversification. The more you spread out your investments, the lower your risk, and the more potential you have to turn your $100 into $10,000. Why is diversification crucial? By putting your $100 into different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending, you protect yourself from risk. If one investment doesn't perform well, others may help offset the loss. Diversification also increases your chances of seeing returns from multiple sources, making your path to $10,000 more achievable. So, what do you think? Could you turn $100 into $10,000 with these strategies? There's plenty of potential here, and with the right moves, you can make your money work for you. Which of these strategies stood out to you the most? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to watch more financial tips and strategies.